Hello kids. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Who will tell me what should I draw today? Yes, tell me. Yes, today I draw a hospital. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today I draw a very easy drawing for you. First of all, you need to draw the lines with scale. Don't forget to use the scale, because it makes the lines straight. Draw the building of the hospital. Also draw the windows and doors of the hospital. Make the windows and doors with scale. Who will tell me what is the role of hospital in our? Why we need to go to a doctor? Yes, its main purpose to take care of the ill person. When we are ill, we need a doctor. Doctor gives us medicine for our recovery. Sometimes doctor injected the patients. It's so dangerous. Do you inject in your life? Yes, tell me. I injected when I am ill. Doctor also gives me the medicine. Do you like medicine? Yes, tell me. I also don't like medicine. Its taste is very bad and I don't like this. When I am ill, I don't like to eat medicine. But my mother gives me medicine so I feel well. Tell me one kids what you want to become in future. I want to become a doctor. So I give the medicine and injections to the patients. See, my drawing is almost completed. This is very beautiful drawing. The building of the hospital looks so beautiful and awesome. Wow, that's awesome. Don't forget to outline the drawing. Outline makes the drawing so beautiful and awesome. Always outline the drawing with deeper black marker. It makes the drawing beautiful. Also use the scale to outline the drawing. Who will tell me how many windows I draw in this drawing? Yes, tell me and counted the windows. 5 windows in one side and 5 windows another side. The total windows is 10. Let's coloring with me. First of all, use the blue color in the windows. I like blue color so much. Do you like this color? Now use the blue color in the other side of the windows. Now I use the yellow color in the windows. Wow, yellow and blue color looks so beautiful and awesome. I like this color so much. My favorite color is red, so I use this color in the drawing. My drawing is ready. I like this drawing so much.